Namaste. Welcome back, Black Yogi Tribe, to the very first video in how to play the sound bowls, how to get yourself adjusted with your sound bowls. Maybe you purchased some recently and you want to know how to play them. Maybe you are looking into purchasing some. The Black Yogi Tribe, peace of mind comes piece by piece. And you want to learn a little bit about them before you go all the way through with your purchase. So here's a great video for you. We'll start at the very base of our spine here with the root chakra. Now, this bowl is the largest bowl of the 7 chakra bowls set here. And the root chakra is going to be the base of the spine. It's also going to be the deepest tone that we have here. Now, a key thing to remember when you are using the sound bowl is less is more, right? So once you start to feel and hear the vibration, woo, 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 you know, you've gone too far. You don't necessarily need to bing, hit the bowl super hard either to get a sound. You can really get a sound just simply by striking the bowl, okay? We'll just start off striking the bowl. Gentle, gentle movements. Gentle, gentle movements. You can increase the sound, but no need to hit it super hard. It's not necessary. Going around with the mallet. Using the one with the ball and just coming on the side. This one creates a very loud sound very easily. So you can just kind of move in and out with this one here. So that is the root chakra at the base of your spine.